Today I'm going to be working on my four-wheeler, and I often get confused on which tool to use. When working on a project, I sometimes get confused on which tool to use.
No, not that one. No. 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 Gosh, I can't figure out which one to use. Now introducing the next line of multi-tools, the cardboard.
Let's say you have a light switch and you're too lazy to extend your arm all the way. The cardboard. Let's say you have a leaky faucet and you want to shut it off. The cardboard is there on the job. Problem solved.
Need to flush the toilet but don't feel like bending down? The cardboard. Uh-oh. I broke it. I broke the toilet. The cardboard. When you want to break the toilet handle and fix it. The cardboard also comes in flat and rolls.
The cardboard. The multi-tool that every garage needs. Cardboard.
I can't believe I broke it with the cardboard. It sucks. I broke the toilet handle with the cardboard. Okay. Edit that out.